Hello, my name is Claudia Belenica from the Indonesian Technocrat University Accounting Study Program. In this video, I want to explain about health and safety in the workplace. Health and safety in the workplace. In 2016, an estimated 2.0 million people in workplace were suffering from an illness, long-standing as well as new cases, they believed was caused or made worse by their current or past work. Source: HSE Health and Safety Statistics Annual Report for Great Britain, 2016-17. It's therefore important to ensure that your employees know how to work safely and are aware of any hazards and risks they may face at work. In order to manage the health and safety of your business and help prevent workplace accidents, ill health, and sickness absence, you should provide free workplace health and safety training for your staff. 1. Providing workplace health and safety training. SDN employer, it is your legal responsibility to ensure that your staff receive appropriate workplace health and safety training, as well as job-specific training to improve competence and confidence. Various countries, UK and European, legislation and regulations require you to provide information, training and supervision to your employees in order to ensure their health and safety in the workplace. You also have an extra duty of care to specific members of staff, including new employees, pregnant workers, and young workers, under 18s. Providing your employees with health and safety training, as well as clear instructions, information, and advice, helps to reduce work-related illnesses and absence. Avoid the financial costs of accidents and occupational ill health. Develop a positive health and safety culture. Ensure that your employees know how to work safely and without risks to their health. Do I need to provide work equipment training? All work equipment has the potential to cause problems in the workplace, so you need to ensure it remains safe to use and that you're not putting employees at risk. Under the Provision and Use of Work Equipment Regulations in 1998, PURE, work equipment can only be used by people who have received adequate training on the correct use of the equipment and the risks that may arise from its use. Find out more about safe and healthy use of work equipment. You can also get guidance on training your workforce through the Health and Safety Executive. Employers' duties. Important employers have legal obligations to ensure a safe and healthy workplace for their employees in the first instance, and also for anyone else who may visit the workplace, such as customers, contractors, and members of the public. All employers, whatever the size of the business, must design, provide and maintain workplaces which are safe and without risk to health. 1. Identify any hazards, actual or potential, take measures to control the risks, preferably by eliminating them, but if that is not possible, Norton by reducing them as far as possible. Ensure that safe working practices are developed. Implement measures to reduce the risk of bullying and harassment. Provide employees with information, instructions, and training. Set up contingency plans to deal with accidents and emergencies, including the evacuation of the workplace. Have ventilation, temperature, lighting, toilet, washing and rest facilities met the standard of health, safety and welfare sought by the statutory bodies. Ensure that appropriate work equipment is provided and is properly used and regularly maintained. Take necessary precautions against the risks caused by flammable or explosive hazards, electrical equipment, noise, dust and radiation. Take reasonable steps to avoid potentially dangerous work involving manual handling and provide manual handling training where required. Provide health supervision, as needed. Provide protective clothing, where required, and appropriate warning signs. Report specific accidents, injuries, diseases and dangerous occurrences to the appropriate authorities, and maintain records of accidents and injuries as appropriate.